If you're new to crypto, you've probably heard the term TVL thrown around a lot. But what does it actually mean? TVL stands for Total Value Locked. It's one of the most important numbers in the world of DeFi, Decentralized Finance. Let me break it down. TVL is the total amount of money, usually measured in US dollars, that's locked up inside a crypto protocol. This could be money people have staked, deposited, or are using to provide liquidity inside a decentralized application. In plain English, it tells you how much trust and usage a crypto platform has. The more value locked, the more people are using it, whether it's to earn yield, swap tokens, borrow, lend, or participate in governance. It's kind of like a bank's balance sheet. If the bank has billions in deposits, it's strong. If it has $40 and a chicken wing, you stay far away. Same thing in crypto. If a protocol has high TVL, it usually means KAIs. There's real adoption, people trust the smart contracts. There's liquidity, which means you can enter and exit positions easily. Now let's look at 3 of the top projects by TVL right now. Lido Finance, TVL over $25 billion. It lets users stake Ethereum and earn yield without locking up their ETH long-term. Eigenlayer, over 12 billion TVL, a new protocol for restaking ETH and securing new networks. It's huge in early DeFi innovation. Aave, around $10 billion, one of the most trusted decentralized lending platforms. You can borrow and lend crypto without a bank. And here's the takeaway. Don't just chase price. Look at total value locked. It tells you where the money is going and where real adoption is happening. TVL is the difference between a hype coin and a working protocol. Thanks for watching DealMakers Den. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone learning crypto the right way.